Draganfly is happy to announce our participation in the second annual AUVSI XPONENTIal 2023 and the LawTech Connect panel produced by P3 Tech Consulting. From May 8th through 11th, the Draganfly Heavy Lift and the Commander 3XL drones, two of Draganfly's latest cutting-edge North American-made UAVs, will be on display at booth 2331 in the Colorado Convention Center in Denver, Colorado. Draganfly will be showcasing how its data collection and drone delivery capabilities are constantly pushing the boundaries of industry standards to transform the way business leaders conduct their operations. I will also be participating in a panel discussion about how drone technology is redefining the way that conflict in Ukraine is being managed and how UAVs have proven to be a more effective, stealthy, and cost-effective alternative to traditional aircraft for global military and emergency operations moving forward. I will be joined by experts across the commercial industry, including Mark McKinnon, partner at Fox Rothschild, Kenji Sukahara, CEO of Drone Service Providers Alliance, and Mary Caitlin Ray, counsel at Crawwell and Morning LLP, in room 401 and 402 on Monday, May 8th at 1:40 p.m. Mountain Time. The LawTech Connect workshop provides vital information for establishing a responsible framework that ensures the development, deployment, and use of autonomous systems. And I'm excited for the opportunity to share insights and experiences at this incredible event.